Another one.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Flash flood warning
thunderstorms
issued by National Weather Service in Lake Charles, Louisiana.
Rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Intact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include DeRidder, Maryville, Dry Creek, Sugartown, Tulla, and Bundy Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.